Okay guys, before we start this episode, I just want to say with some of our YouTube money that we've been making, we've been saving up, and we bought a tire machine today. Blue Viper. So like I said, it's just been easier to get our own tires mounted and whatnot instead of running to our good friend Donnie's. And so I think maybe in the next couple months we might get a balancer too, or yeah, a balancer. So but yeah, I just want to say that we've been buying like tools with it, not just blowing it on like hookers and blow or anything like that. Kidding. But yeah, so pretty excited. So it's just something that we've always wanted, so we were able to buy it locally and it finally came in today. So yeah, I'd just like to say thanks a lot guys, and yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one. Now I just gotta figure out how to use this thing. We'll figure it out. Okay guys, here's another one of forgotten cars. It's a 1968 Impala Super Sport SS 327. It's been sitting here for a very long time, and it's a shame over the past, I don't know, 6-7 years maybe. Somebody's helped themselves to a lot of parts out of this thing. I'll show you in a minute. It's kind of pretty sad whoever did it and how they did it, but yeah, we'll talk about this car. Like I said, it's a 327 SS. I'm not sure if it's matching numbers. The motor I've tried, it's stuck, but it's fairly complete. Campbell hump heads and all the good stuff and whatnot. It's a 2-barrel car. Oh no, it's a 4-barrel. 4-barrel. All right, my bad. And I'm not sure if the camera can pick that up, but it was actually made in Canada. That's kind of cool. Fairly complete under here. Hasn't been touched.
It's even got an inline block heater. Front end is nice. Like, the bumper is, I would say, in excellent shape. The grill's in excellent shape. Missing the headlight rims,
But it's got the rally rims. And what's this color?
Cordovan maroon.
I do believe.
And we think it probably had a vinyl roof,
Yeah.
seeing that it's rusted.
But if you want to come around, it's kind of a shame all the mice and everything else that got into it and really screwed up the interior. And like I said, whoever helped themselves to everything, they did a number. Lots of mouse shit.
Looks like it had a console.
Headliner falling down. Very green. Very green carpet. Kind of matches my shorts. It's got a Chevy 10-bolt rear end in it. Ooh, tail light right there. Probably this tail light goes probably right. And we'll just stick that right there. But I think it's got a vinyl top. I've never seen them on any other cars that had this. I don't know if this is aluminum or stainless, or I guess stainless, but pretty neat piece.
It's got rot holes here, so I'm assuming it was aluminum or had a vinyl roof. It has tabs for molding here.
But yeah, big ass long quarters, and of course moss coming out of the quarters and whatnot. Definitely a project, but I don't like these cars. Let's see what. Took one for the team there. See what's in the glove box. Whew. Crankcase drain plug. No clue. A hot rod magazine. A very crusty, dirty magazine. Nature. That's a weird looking catalog. Chop. Huh. I don't know, let's put that back in there.
What's that sticker?
This thing?
No, the sticker on the door. The glove box door.
Oh. Oh. Tire pressure. Oh. It had 14-inch tires. 8 1/4 by 14. That's pretty neat.
Good eye. Back seat doesn't look too bad, just dirt.
And probably 80 pounds of mouse shit under there.
Yeah.
Took one too.
Floor is actually being solid.
Speak for yourself.
Oh.
Doors closed nicely. I guess these would be a full frame car, right?
Yeah.
But yeah, it's a shame over the years somebody's really bent the hood hinges and everything like that. It will close, but it's a real nuisance. I've personally never liked these cars because of the movie, I can't remember what movie that was, Dangerous Toys or Dangerous Minds, where that gangster guy had one. I didn't like it. It was an ugly car.
Had some work. There's Bondo here flaking off on the fenders too. So
Yeah, Dangerous Minds, that's what it was.
Oh. This is all, yeah, it's been had some Bondo work up front here.
But yeah, I put a wrench on it before just to see, but it's locked up.
Neat that it still has all the 4 rally rims.
Yeah, I know, eh? Ultra Track. Pitching. Not really.
Used to have chrome.
Yeah, it's had work done to it.
Yeah, someone's drilled holes and popped out, used a dent puller.
Yeah. Huh. But anyway, I guess that's about it on this one. Figure we'd just show you guys. It's nice enough to be outside again. Spring is here, finally. It's gonna be a good summer, hopefully. So, like, share, and subscribe. Tell your friends. Leave comments, good or bad, but preferably good. Catch you on the next one. Okay, here's another 67 Chevy Bel Air. It's been, somebody threw a metal thing through the back window last year or the year before. Kind of a shame. But I remember when Rick got this car, me and him were actually booting around the field. It's a 6-cylinder, 3 on the tree. It had no brakes, but we were cruising around the backfield. It was rotten then, and it's rotten, getting even worse now. But yeah, hunks of Bondo falling off. Might be a good parts car for somebody, but yeah, 6-cylinder, 3 on the tree. We might even try Will It Run with this one. Maybe. Yeah, she's pretty crusty. Probably be a good parts car for somebody if they're ever doing one. Took one for the team. Bam, beat me. Oh, hit reverse. Actually, oh, there's reverse. That still feels nice. Ugh. Oh, yeah. In this episode of Penny's Hot Rods and Customs, let's talk about polishing a turd. Ugh. Fuck, these are ugly. Sorry. But here's a Pontiac. I don't know. I don't care, honestly, what year it is. You know, it's got a small block of some sort, probably a 283-ish. I'm thinking it actually turns over. I'm actually surprised. So, magic. I thought it would have been stuck long ago. Actually, I didn't think this thing even had an engine in it.
It's got a lot of Bondo on this one.
Yeah, it's got a lot of Bondo. It's got a lot of neat features. And no, that's not our big gulp cup. I just noticed that.
There's some black stuff growing in it.
I don't know if that's fiberglass.
It's like undercoating on top of the patches, I think they did.
How come the door here all rotten?
Yeah.
Never seen that before.
Maybe they used Datsun metal, sheet metal.
I've never seen this before in a door here, where it's actually rotten like that. That's whack, yo.
Car was white, but then someone put a red, welded a red quarter panel on it.
There's even some sort of brakes in this thing. This time wherever you were trying to get this. Yeah, I don't care enough.
Yeah, I just let it be.
I'm sure there's people out there that love these things.
Not in this time zone.
Yeah. Even a freezer too.
Yeah. Maybe if it had a roof on it.
Nah, even not. What year is it? I don't know. I said somewhere late 60s, 67-ish, 8. I don't know. I could be wrong. 6.
I think it's close to that.
This is a face that honestly doesn't care. You can't even see the Speedo. That's whack.
But it's probably the very few cars that are around here that has power windows.
You're still talking about the power windows?
For an old car.
Yeah, I guess so, eh? Corey hear you. Corey don't care. I'm just amazed that it actually has brakes. The motor turns over. Remember, people, can't polish a turd.
Someone tried to shellac this one though.
Yeah, I know. It's like
They shellacked it with Bondo.
what would you rather do, Chris? Eat that piece of Bondo or restore this car?
Eat it.
Okay, let's see ya. I knew you'd puss out. Anyway, I don't think we can talk much more about this car. I want to go get something to eat.
It's ugly.
Uglier than him. Anyway, we'll see you on the next one. Like, share, subscribe. Leave a comment. Not too many nice ones about this one. You won't hurt my feelings.